As I mentioned, in the case of a stream permits, you could be dealing with the conservation district, you could be dealing with Fish, Wildlife, and Parks, and or the Department of Environmental Quality. There's also a potential federal component through the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. If your project is big enough that it includes any kind of a discharge, whether it's a stormwater discharge or even a short-term construction discharge, you could be dealing with one or more of those agencies. It sounds very challenging, but the state has something called a joint application. And so typically that joint application can be filled out once and is distributed to each of the agencies involved, who then have an opportunity to review and move forward. So it's not quite as complex as I'm making it sound, but they are each individual types of permits, and you need to make sure you have the right ones.